so excited to visit New York City. I will be staying there for over a week.
You're so lucky. I've always wanted to go there. I wish I could go with you, but I'll be babysitting my cousin's children next week. What will you be doing in New York?
I will be seeing all the sights, of course. I will be touring everything from the Empire State Building to the Statue of Liberty.
That sounds like fun. Will you be taking anyone with you?
Yes, I will be traveling with someone very special to me.
Oh, who is it?
I will be taking Carl, my boyfriend. He's so nice and funny. I'm sure we'll have a good time.
I didn't know you were dating Carl. Is your relationship getting serious?
Not yet, but I thought it would be fun to go with him. Going to New York together will be so romantic. I will be watching to see if any sparks fly between us.
How romantic. I bet you'll be falling in love in no time. Next thing you know, you'll be walking down the aisle together.
Lucy, don't get carried away. I'm not even thinking about getting married yet. I don't know if Carl is the one for me yet. We might not turn out to be a good match. One thing is sure, though. I will be trying to have a good time, no matter what happens.
I wish I could go with you. I would love to take a trip, but I'll be sitting around here instead.
I'm sorry that you can't come, but I'll send you plenty of pictures.
Yeah, pictures of all the fun you'll be having. You'll be going to so many different places, you probably won't even think about me.
I will be sending you so many pictures, you will feel like you're there with us. And who knows? Maybe we can go together another time.
Maybe, but I don't like to fly, so it might be difficult to get there.
Carl and I aren't flying there. We will be taking a train from Chicago instead.
That's even better. Now I really wish I was going. This sounds like the perfect trip for me.
Lucy, what are you doing?
I'm checking to see if there are still train tickets left. What day will you be leaving?
Saturday. Why do you ask?
I might be able to come with you. I'm texting my cousin to tell her that I can't babysit anymore.
Are you sure? Won't your cousin mind that you're canceling on her?
She will be working that week, which is why she wanted me to watch the children, but she works from home. It's not a big deal if I tell her that I can't do it anymore because I'll be traveling. Besides, how many more chances will I have to go on a fun trip with you?
Lucy, I will be spending most of the time with Carl. Won't you feel left out?
I don't mind being the third wheel. I'll be busy taking pictures and seeing the sights. You won't even know that I'm there.
I don't know, Lucy. Carl and I will be wanting to have some private romantic dates.
There, I've booked it. Now I'll be having a great spring break in New York City next week, too.
Lucy, you didn't even figure out where you will be staying.
Where will you and Carl be staying?
We will be staying at the Roosevelt Hotel, but it's very expensive. We only got a good deal because we booked it early.
Maybe I can stay there too. I'm sure that my parents would help me pay for it.
Hi Maya. Are you ready for our trip in a few days? I will be confirming our reservations tomorrow.
Yes, Carl, I'm looking forward to it. There's just one small change of plans.
What is that?
My friend here, Lucy, has decided to come with us.
Hi, Carl. Isn't it great? We're going to have the best time in New York, just the three of us.
Future continuous. The structure of this tense is subject plus will plus be plus verb and ing. Future continuous is used for actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future.
I'll be babysitting my cousin's children next week. What will you be doing in New York?
I will be touring everything from the Empire State Building to the Statue of Liberty.
She will be working that week?